Kaskade wet room system is designed to fit quickly and easily into traditional timber floors. Just watch these instructions to see how simply a Kaskade system can be installed into your timber floor. Cut out floorboards to the size of the shower base. Put trap and waste into position and support with timber to the correct height. The black rubber seal of the trap should be flush with the top of the joist. Fix extra joists where required to provide support to edges of the shower base, and use mega strength adhesive to ensure a firm fix for all noggins. Allow for overboarding with 6mm no more ply. The rebated edge of the shower base is designed to sit 6mm proud of a 22mm floorboard floor. If installing into an 18mm floorboard floor, the joists will need to be routed by 4mm to allow the rebated edge of the base to sit flush with the floor. Test the base and trap positions to make sure the outlet lines up with the trap. Drill 6mm pilot holes down through the rebated edge of the shower base without drilling into the joists, and countersink the holes. Remove shower base and run a bead of mega strength on each joist and noggin. Replace shower base and fix down using screws, filling screw holes with mega strength adhesive for a watertight seal. Then seal between the base and the wall with mega strength. Assemble and install the remaining parts of the trap and use a temporary plastic cover to protect the trap during tiling. You can now apply no more ply boards, overlapping them onto the rebated edge of the shower base. Firstly, applying mega strength adhesive to get a perfect seal. Always use Megalastic wet room tile adhesive for tiling over your Kaskade shower base. For more information, contact us on our Creating Wet Rooms product helpline on 0800 0094 354, or visit our website at www.kaskadewetroom.co.uk.